Every bone in your body is being torn down and rebuilt right now, even as you watch this. In just about 10 years, you'll be walking around with a completely new skeleton, every cell swapped out, every structure refreshed without you feeling a thing. This isn't just about growing as a kid. Adults are constantly recycling bone tissue too, thanks to a process called bone remodeling. Old bone cells get broken down and replaced with brand new ones, quietly, every minute of the day. It's like your body has its own construction crew working overtime, patching up micro cracks, adapting to your movements, and keeping your skeleton stronger than steel, all without you ever noticing. So the bones you broke as a kid are the ones holding you up right now, they're not permanent. You're literally a living, walking work in progress, built cell by cell, year after year.